Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Linkvertise loading problem. So, we're currently experiencing that trouble, and I'm going to teach you how to fix this. First is you may want to clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're accessing this on Google Chrome, you can just look for this three dot icon, then click on Settings. Next, in the left panel, just click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down. From here, all you have to do is click on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure that you check cookies and other site data and also cached images and files. Then just click on Delete Data. You might also want to try accessing it through the incognito mode just by clicking on the three dot icon, then click on New Incognito window. You can start searching for link Bertis, then click on the link. If it still doesn't work, you can try accessing it using a different browser. We're going to try it on Microsoft Edge. And as you can see, it works on Microsoft Edge compared to Google Chrome. Also, another thing that you might consider to check is if you're using a VPN. Make sure that you don't use VPN while accessing link Bertis. And lastly, you might also consider checking your internet connection. It might not load because you are encountering a problem on your internet connection. You can also try to run a quick speed test to make sure your connection is stable. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!